A bowl contains 20 ounces of water. When the bowl is uncovered, the amount of water in the bowl decreases by 1 ounce every 4 days. If 9 ounces of water remain in this bowl, for how many days has it been uncovered? Okay, for the given situation, we can write a linear equation. Let me take the variable y. Here, this y represents the amount of water, the number of ounces of water we have in the bowl. On the right side, let me take this 20, that is 20 ounces of water, and consider the information, that is when the bowl is uncovered, the amount of water in the bowl decreases by 1 ounce every 4 days. We can write this stuff as a negative 1/4 times x. Here x represents the number of days the bowl is uncovered. And people may think, how can I get this stuff? Here I have taken negative sign because the amount of water in the bowl decreases. So I have taken negative sign over here. And I got this 1/4 by taking reciprocal of this 4 days. And this x represents the number of days. Okay, now let's check how this equation works with the given information. Let me take x equals to 4, that is 4 days. When I plug in x equals to 4, what is the value of this stuff? That is 1/4 times 4. This 4 will cancel out. The value of this one is just 1. Then we have y equals to 20 negative 1. So when I take x equals to 4, that is for 4 days, the amount of water in the bowl decreases by 1 ounce. What if I take x equals to 8? Let me do it. When I take x equals to 8, what is the value of this stuff? 1 over 4 times 8. 4 goes into 4 one times and 4 goes into 8 two times. 1 times 2 is 2. That is the value of this stuff is 2. Then we have y equals to 20 negative 2. So for 8 days, the amount of water in the bowl decreases by 2 ounces. Okay, so the equation I got over here works with the given information. Now let's go to the question. If 9 ounces of water remain in this bowl, for how many days has it been uncovered? So that is, we have to plug in this 9 for y over here and solve for x. That is number of days. Okay, let me do it. That is 9 equals to 20 negative 1/4 times x. Now we can add 1/4 x to both sides of this equation. Let me do it. Then this negative value, positive value will cancel out. I am getting 1/4 x positive 9 on the left side. On the right side, we have 20. Let me subtract 9 from both sides of this equation. This positive 9, negative 9 will cancel out. I am getting 1/4 x equals to, the simplification of this one is 11. Okay, now let me multiply both sides of this equation by 4. Then this 4 will cancel out. 1 times x is x. 11 times 4 is 44. Okay, if 9 ounces of water remain in this bowl, then the bowl would have been uncovered for 44 days. We find 44 in answer choice D. The correct answer choice for this question is D.